What is up, my mighty friends? In about 2 more days, Stranger Things 3 or Season 3, as whatever you want to call it, will be released. And I'm sure people have reviewed it. Thank God the really cool gentleman who worked on me, rang me up, was like, oh, okay, we got it. And he actually did it for me. It was really nice of him. So, thank you. I think his name was Paul or Peter. Thank you. And here I go. The Upsidedown Sundae. Been wanting to try this. Now it looks kind of different than what we see on the pictures, but I don't really care. You got your stuff right there. It's very neat with what the people from Netflix is doing. I'm never gonna try the Whopper, upside down Whopper, because I just think it's dumb. Just eat it upside down, and it's not in my area. So why would I? So and keep it in tradition, decoration. Going to keep this very classic. Oh, and they had so much cool stuff. Scoops Ahoy. They had Scoops Ahoy traditional like cones and stuff. Very, very cool. There's my mom's phone. This looks really good. It's running right there. Oh my God, it looks really good. So let's, without making a spill, try this. Without further ado, let's do this. Here we go. This is gonna be really funny. I know it's just gonna give me a hard time, but oh my God, that is amazing. The nuts, and he actually crushed the cone for me. So the cone is visible. What he did though was really cool. But here we go with the cherry there. Nice style up there. Very smooth. Don't want to mess anything. But I recommend going to your Baskin Robbins and check it out. Netflix, you guys are geniuses. I'm gonna have more of this delicious shit. So, see you soon.